Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford, pretty much guys, any Ford vehicle and your mirrors do not work now guys, we'll explain if both of them do not work or just one mirror doesn't work guys, what could be the reason for that. Make sure you stay until the end, that will help you pretty much on any Ford vehicle guys. Quick introduction, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Let's start on it now. So let me show you now. I'll go ahead, we'll turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. Perfect. Now if I go ahead and try to do the mirrors guys, okay, check out what's going to happen. Okay, this is the mirror switch. Now we can switch from left to right and to left. And I have it on the left side, and if I try to go down, mirror is not moving. Up, not working. Right, not working. Now I'll switch to the right side and I'll try to do the same thing. Okay, it doesn't work guys. So what are your possibilities now? If both of the mirrors do not work guys, you either have a bad fuse or you have a bad switch. I'll always check guys the fuse first. Do not buy a switch, they're not expensive, but it's quite often guys to have actually the switch, the fuse go bad, and the switch, if it goes bad, usually it will be stuck guys most of the time in one position. What that means that it will control either the left or the right mirror, or it will allow the mirror to go at least up or down or just one way, but it will not quit all at sudden guys. It could happen, but I haven't had that problem happen in a long time. So always guys you have to check the fuse first. Now if you have only one mirror not working guys, usually you have dual motors in the mirrors guys that will allow the mirror to go up and down, one motor and the other one left and right. So still guys, okay, still what that means that the whole mirror cannot go bad all at once. Most of the times guys, okay, what will happen actually, it may quit going just one way, but you go the other way. So you know that, okay, it's the mirror is bad, but it's not the switch guys in that case. And if you switch to the right side and the right mirror works perfectly fine, it's not the switch, it's just a bad mirror. If the whole mirror quits, okay, you need to remove the cover guys, door panel, and check the connection. There is one connection with the wires where it connects guys, and inspect that because sometimes it will get loose or somebody didn't install it good in the past. So we'll go ahead now and show you what the problem is for our Ford here. So most of the time guys, the fuse for the mirrors will be located in the fuse box that's located under the hood. You have one inside the car under the glove box usually on Ford vehicles, but this one is under the hood here guys, and in our case it's fuse 25. So we'll go ahead, grab it with the fuse puller, and I'm going to replace it, okay, with another fuse. Okay, let me grab one quick. Okay, perfect, fuse is replaced. Now what we'll do, I'll go and see if that is going to take care of the problem. Okay, let's see now. If I turn the ignition on, okay, let's see if that fuse is going to actually fix our problem now. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on, perfect, and now let me show you guys, okay, what's going to happen now. Okay, we have the mirror switch to the left, mirror goes down, up, left, right, and we switch to the right side. The right mirror guys works as well. So you can see guys, it was just a bad fuse that caused our problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.